Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace an alternator. Before we begin, safety is paramount. Always start by disconnecting your vehicle's negative battery cable to prevent electrical shorts. Next, gather your tools. You'll need various wrenches, sockets, and possibly a serpentine belt tool. Make sure your workspace is well lit and clear of obstructions for a smooth process. Taking these initial steps ensures a safe and efficient repair. Now, let's create some room to access the alternator. You'll need to remove the coolant overflow reservoir, typically held by two 10mm bolts. Next, detach the passenger side radiator fan, usually secured by two 10mm bolts and two electrical clips. Gently move the power steering reservoir and loosen the engine control module. Finally, loosen the engine mount, supporting the engine with a jack to gain crucial clearance. With space cleared, it's time for the swap. Use a serpentine belt tool to release tension and remove the belt from the alternator pulley. Next, disconnect the main power wire, often a 10mm nut, and the electrical plug. Remove the two mounting bolts, typically 12mm or 14mm, then carefully maneuver the old alternator out. Now, position your new alternator, loosely securing it with one mounting bolt to hold it in place. For the final steps, reconnect the main power wire and the electrical plug to your new alternator. Fully tighten both mounting bolts, ensuring they are secure. Carefully reinstall the serpentine belt, making sure it's correctly routed around all pulleys. Reattach the engine mount, engine control module, radiator fan, and coolant reservoir. Finally, reconnect your negative battery cable, start the engine, and confirm your new alternator is charging properly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.